What's up, YouTubians? Welcome back to another video. Appreciate you guys checking it out. Got something a little different today, but first, hey, first day in Florida in a long time. It's not like 78 degrees first thing in the morning. We got a beautiful day, beautiful morning. Figured let's get out here and go over some mail. That's right, we have a couple things to show you. Let's dive right into it. All right, guys, first up, we have my tool roll, my official tool roll. I know you guys have seen this in the past. You know, this is so much more convenient than having a big rectangular square toolbox. I did a video on this a while back on what items I carried in my car, and it showed you how much this thing can actually hold. The fact it unrolls, everything's right there, easy to see, easy to organize, heavy duty pockets, heavy duty zippers. They now have the larger official tool roll. This is about 4 inches wider. It's about the same length roughly. Still have your handles, still have everything, still have your heavy duty zippers. This right here will hold even more than the old one. This is a new design. I will put a link down below in the description. You really can't go wrong. You know, your toolbox jiggles and jaggles and the whole 9 yards. Once you roll this up, it barely makes any noise whatsoever because it helps contain everything. I'm shaking the daylights out of it, it's barely making noise, versus if I did that in a regular toolbox, forget it. Those kind of noises drive me nuts. This is the way to go. Organize your tools, keep everything where they need to be, access them when you need them most. So moving on from that, we had AuxBeam send us a couple lights for the Baja. So the first one, we've got some nice square LED lights. Again, these are from AuxBeam. They've got your plugs right there on the end. Everything is heavy duty, aluminum. You've got your mounting brackets, and you've got your complete wiring harness. Oh, that's pretty awesome. You've got your relay in there. Everything's pre-wired. You've got your terminals. You've got everything. You've got your switch already pre-wired and set up. It's just a matter of plug and play, hook up your positive, negative, and you're done. So to go along with that, not sure which one we're gonna use yet on the Baja, but they also sent us a 24-inch light bar. So this light bar, same thing, comes with your hardware, comes with a complete wiring harness, ready to go, plug and play. Got your relay already on there, instructions, everything right there. Oh, check it out. Even comes with a sticker. There we go. Now it's worth its weight in gold. We've got a sticker. So I'll have a link in the description as well on where to get this stuff at. So check it out below. And go from there. If you're in the market for either a good official tool roll or any kind of lighting, AuxBeam also sells a bunch of other stuff, so definitely check out their website. So guys, make sure you check out AuxBeam. Again, very nice products. I mean, you just really can't go wrong. These are actually kind of heavy. You know, they're not super lightweight. They don't feel cheap. Same with the light bar. I mean, that's just looks like good quality stuff here. So again, there'll be a link down in the description. Check them out. And of course, you know my favorite official tool roll. Definitely check them out. This thing, I can't wait to get this stuff set up. Now, on the light bar and the light pods, again, not sure which is going to go on the Sickxty. We still got some time on that. Or which one's going to go on the Baja just yet. We'll get that stuff figured out once I get healed up from surgery, which is coming up very, very soon. So again, bear with me. Hang tight for now. We'll be back at it before you know it. Hopefully. So anyway, appreciate you being here. Thanks for sticking around. You guys, be good. We'll catch you on the next one.